Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix natural tan, matte latex mix for interior wall. Natural tan is an earth tone, usually light shade of brown, sometimes with some gray, added for extra depth, so it can feel warm and comfortable. Since tan is also a neutral tone, it is important to anchor it to a strong accent color. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 gallon natural tan matte latex mix for interior concrete wall. Okay, let's start by adding ochre color raw sienna to a 50% ratio of matte latex white. Then let's also add ochre color tulipine red. And last, let's drop a little ochre color black. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. It's more lighter. Let's add more ochre color, raw sienna. Let's just add ochre color raw sienna, ochre color tulipine red, and ochre color black until it's fully 1 gallon. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos, don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you.